DIY video time 2019 Toro Timecutter 42 SS, whatever, 42-inch deck. It ran out of gas on an incline, filled it back up with gas, wouldn't start. Primed the fuel line, wouldn't start. Got into it, went in, found junk in the fuel line, cleaned it all out, took the carb off, cleaned that, looking online, trying to find out what was going on. Found out I was getting no spark. I know there's I think there's an oil sensor in there. If it gets too low on an incline or maybe even too full, it'll do something. A couple things you want to look for. You want to hear it click when you turn the key on. And then when you do this, you want to hear that parking brake disengage. And you can see it underneath there. Both sides. As long as you got that, you know you're good. What I found out is I got a new spark plug, didn't need that. I ended up disconnecting this connection right here. It'll still turn over, but until I disconnected that, I had zero spark. So I pulled the spark plug boot here, put the spark plug in, held those pliers against a bolt, and no spark. Then I unplugged that, turned it over, I had spark. Put it together, clipped that back together, and it must have just reset that sensor or something. So after hours of YouTubing, Googling, I could find no one else that had this. A lot of people had similar issues, but nobody could tell me how to fix it. So there you have it. Hopefully that helps some of you guys out. Some of your comments below.